Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the comments on your YouTube video. For every YouTube video has the option to add the comments. Sometimes creator would like to disable the comments on their particular videos. In this situation, how they can disable the comments on your YouTube video? Let's learn how you can do this. First, you have to log in with your YouTube account. Then you have to click on the content. Here you have to choose the video what you would like to disable the comment. I would like to disable the comment on this video, so I have to click on edit details. Scroll down, click on the show more. Under the comments and rating section, you have to select the disable comments. This particular video only disable the comments. So you have to select the disable comments and click on the save. So if you would like to disable the comments for the entire video of your YouTube channel, then you have to go back and click on the settings. Here you have to click on the upload default. Then you have to click on the advanced setting tab. Then you have to scroll down. Here you have to select the disable comments. So you have to click on the save. Please be note, if you disable the comments on upload default, the existing video will not impact. Your new video only disable the comments. So if you would like to disable the command on the all existing videos, so you have to manually disable for the particular videos. So in this way you can disable the comments on your YouTube video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.